Standard 3, English Medium. Subject English. Lesson number 24. At the market. 24. At the market. Look at the following pictures. Read the conversations given on the opposite page. Then, match the conversations and pictures by giving them appropriate numbers. A. Good morning, Archie. How can I help you? B. I want to buy rice for the whole year. Show me the varieties you have and tell me the prices. A. Archie, this variety is good. Don't worry about the price. It is not very costly. A. Grandpa, the bubbles look so lovely. Can we buy the bubble maker? B. Why not? Let's buy 3. 2 for you children and 1 for me. Do you like roasted corn cobs? B. Oh, I love them with salt and lemon juice. A. Let's see at what price he is selling them. A. Give me some tomatoes. B. Where's your bag? A. I don't have one. Give me a plastic carry bag. B. Sorry, I don't keep plastic carry bags. A. Here are your potatoes. Would you like to buy tomatoes? These are nice and fresh. B. Sure. Wait, I'll give you another bag for the tomatoes. A. Hello, uncle. Mother has sent this list of grocery items for the month. Can you deliver them today? B. Sure, we'll deliver them today. A. Have you tried this Coke? They are so delicious. B. This is a new cake shop, is it? But I am not very fond of cakes. A. Please give us 2 full glasses and don't put ice in the juice. B. But Mummy, I want some ice in my juice. A. Okay, put only a little ice in each glass.